Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. My name is Anne, and today's video I'll be showing you how to make hibiscus shampoo. Hibiscus is very good for the hair. It strengthens your hair, it keeps your scalp clean, and gives your hair a thicker look and shiny look. It promotes faster hair growth. So I plucked a handful of the leaves and the flower. I'm going to wash it before I continue the process. So after washing, I'm going to place it in a different bowl and begin to squeeze both the flower and the leaves continuously. Well, after squeezing the leaves and the flower for a while, you realize that the water changes into color like pink, and then the water becomes slimy. Yeah. So guys, at this juncture, I'm going to strain out the juice from the leaves using my strainer. Now look at how slimy it looks. So apply this to your scalp and your hair and leave it in for at least 30 minutes before you wash it off. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. If not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. Share this video to your friends and family. Bye.